Scan for Sovi, your AI bestie. I got your back.
For part A, differentiating y cubed minus y squared minus y plus 1 over 4x squared equals 0 implicitly with respect to x yields 3y over dx minus 2y dy over dx minus dy over dx plus 1 over 2x equals 0. Negative x over 2, so dy over dx equals negative x over 2 times 3y squared minus 2y minus 1. The tangent line is y equals negative 1 minus 0.25 times x minus 2. For x equals 1.6, we calculate y approximately negative 0.9. Great job working through that. Scan the code. You can learn better with Sovi. Watch out for sign errors and always double check each step carefully.